So did you know that you can actually enable hotspot on your Vitron Smart TV and use your TV as a hotspot device that can share the TV's internet connection with other devices? So to do that, from the home screen, just flick left all the way to that left-hand side panel and then go to settings. And then under settings, go to network, select that. And then here on net mode, you want to use the direct left and right directions to go to wire network. And then under wire network, you'll see advanced WLAN hotspot, hotspot off. Tap on that and then turn on Vitron. Now that's going to be the default name for your TV. I've already changed mine. That's why it looks like that. But that's your hotspot. So you can now go to your phone or your laptop and connect to that TV's hotspot and use that TV's internet connection on your device. And of course, you can see the password here. You can go and customize the password, of course, if you want to, but then the default password is right there, 1234567 8. That's basically how to turn your TV into a hotspot device. Thanks for watching and good luck.